Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Polygon, a detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Polygon, start by launching your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Polygon. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Polygon homepage. Once the page has loaded, look for the Login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to initiate the login process. A login form will appear on your screen. Here, you will need to enter your registered email address. After entering your email, proceed to input your password in the designated field. Double-check that your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you prefer, you can enable the Remember Me option for quicker access in the future. Once all fields are filled out, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your user dashboard. In case you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password using the email associated with your account. If you are logging in for the first time, you may be prompted to accept the terms of service. Read through the terms and click Accept to continue. You should now be logged into your Polygon account successfully. Explore the platform to access its features and services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.